Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got beautiful necklaces for you guys, and I'm also planning on different content, so I'll be coming up with different contents very soon. And also I'm getting good response on my website, so thank you so much for all your support. The products which I have uploaded, it's all exclusive products, and if you like any of the products, order it right now because this may go out of stock anytime. Having said that, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. These are like gold plated neck pieces mostly. Okay, this is how the first product looks like. Amazing quality, you guys can see. They have given nice design and it's like two-layered neck chain. Looks really pretty. You can wear it with saris. I think South Indian saris will go really well with this. And some of you asking for gold plated necklaces also. So I thought like let me order some more for you guys. You can watch my previous video also. In that video I have done more of gold plated necklaces, and this is how the earrings looks like. Pretty earrings. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 724 rupees, and I feel like it's really affordable. If in case you guys like this products, I'll provide the product links in the description box, and also check out my try on video. Let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys is also like a gold plated neck piece, and these are also like American diamond neck pieces. This is how the neck piece looks like. It's a simple neck piece. Again, they have given this pendant. Looks really pretty. You can see the stone work here. So I'll put up a try on video also. You guys can see how this product looks like. But I just love the quality of these products. Let me show you the earrings. This is how the earrings looks like. Wow, earrings look so pretty. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 725 rupees, and this particular neck piece is also very affordable. When you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay, you'll get some more discount. And also check out my try on video, and if you like it, you can order it. Okay, let's see what we have next. The next product which I'm going to show you guys is also gold plated. I think all the products are gold plated. Let me show you guys. This is how the next product looks like. Such a beautiful neck piece, guys, and you guys can see the stonework here and here as well. And this kind of neck pieces looks really pretty on South Indian style saris, and I just love how this looks like. And I'll also put up a try on video. They have also given a earrings with this. Earrings also look so pretty. Just look at this. This is like jhumkas, really pretty. They have given stonework here, guys. I hope you guys can see it. The price of this particular neck piece is 652 rupees. Can you believe that? It's very affordable, guys. Definitely you can go for it, and the quality is really nice. You can also check out my try on video. Okay, let's see what we have next. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this box, and they have packed it really well. This is how the next neck piece looks like. It looks so beautiful. You guys can see they have given Lakshmi idol here, and this is like old coin design neck piece, and looks so pretty. I just love this one. So you get this hook. You can adjust the length however you want to wear it. You can do. I think this one looks really pretty if you wear it long. And let me show you the earrings. This is how the earrings looks like. Amazing quality, guys. This particular neck piece is 796 rupees. Again, it's quite affordable. If in case you guys like this products, you can definitely go for it. The quality is really good. Let's see what we have next. Okay, I have two pieces inside this box. Let me show you one by one. The first piece is this. This is also like a gold plated neck piece. Okay, this is how the next neck piece looks like. You guys can see the quality is amazing. They have given stone work here and it looks so classy. Here also they have given some stone work and you can see Lakshmi idol here. Beautiful neck piece, guys. If in case you guys are looking for reasonable neck pieces, you can definitely go for it. And I just love this one, and this kind of jewelry goes really well with saris. And I will say that go for this one. It's really amazing, guys. Let me show you the earrings. This is how the earrings looks like. Small pretty earrings. They have given Lakshmi idol here. The price of this particular neck piece is 733 rupees, and it's very affordable. And when you buy through Google Pay or Phone Pay, they'll give you some more discount. And they also have like 2 more colors in this. If in case you guys like this products, I'll provide the product links in the description box. You can go ahead and buy it. And the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is also from the same vendor, and this is how the next product looks like. And this is one of my favorite. This looks amazing. Let me show you guys. This is how the next product looks like. I mean, just look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? I just love this piece because of the design. This design looks so pretty. Like you can wear it on saris and it's gonna look really pretty. And this color goes with all the outfits. Like any color sari will go with this because it has like white color beads here and red color stone. So this goes really well with all the colors. I would 100% recommend this particular neck piece, because this kind of neck pieces you will not get at this price. I'm gonna tell you guys the prices, but I think I try to get all reasonable products because you guys ask for less price neck pieces, right? So I'm just trying to find good pieces at a reasonable price. This is how the earrings looks like. Amazing quality. Again, you guys can see the design. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is just 709 rupees. Can you believe that? This particular neck piece looks so amazing. Go for this one, guys. I would 100% recommend this particular neck piece. And also check out my try on video. And also I've received one more product, so I'll put up a video of that. You guys can see, which I'm gonna show you guys. I got it in this box. It's a big neck piece, and let me show you guys. So this is how the neck piece looks like. It's like a antique piece and quality is nice, guys. It's a really good neck piece. Let me just remove it and show you guys. First neck piece looks like. I really like this one, and this particular neck pieces goes really well with saris, I feel. And they have given this coral beads here and looks really pretty, and it's quite flexible as well. You guys can see it will fold easily. You see they have given Lakshmi detail here. They have given some, I think it's elephant detail and some peacock details inside this, and looks really pretty. They have also given a earrings with this. This is how the earrings looks like. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 456 rupees. It's quite affordable. They have like 3 more colors in this. If in case you guys like this product, I'll provide the product links in the description box, and also check out my try on video. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload the next video, take care. Bye bye.